Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use extrude, rip, pipe, and fillet. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and create this sketch. We will create the base first. So the base is a square, 8 millimeters by 8 millimeters. And in the corners, we have a fillet with 10 millimeters of radius. So we'll open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Select 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, 8 millimeters by 8 millimeters. And go to fillet, make a fillet here with 10 millimeters of radius. Press OK. And now we will create this slot. But first we'll create this center line here. The distance between this slot here and this one is 60 millimeters. So select line, a construction line. Make a construction line here with 60 millimeters of length. And go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and the center point here. I will hide some constraints here. And now we will create the slot. The slot has 20 millimeters and the radius is 5 millimeters of radius. So go to create, select slot and select center point slot. Click here in the midpoint, remove the construction line type. Make a slot here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here 20 millimeters and the radius here 5 millimeters of radius. And select line, a construction line, make a construction line here in the center and go to mirror, select this slot and the mirror line is this construction line and press OK. We made this one. Now finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 15 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile, 15 millimeters of length, operation new body and press OK. And now we will create this cut in the bottom of the base. So this cut has 30 millimeters by 5 and here the fillet will be 5 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select this face and select a 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle here, 5 millimeters by 30 millimeters. And go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and the center point here. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile. The extend type, select all, flip the direction. Operation here is cut and press OK. And now go to fillet, select this edge here and this edge. The fillet here 5 millimeters and press OK. And now we will create this cylinder. So the cylinder is 2 circles with 38 and 20 millimeters of diameter. So go to create a sketch and select the right plane. Select a circle. Make a circle with 38 millimeters of diameter and another one here with 20 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of this circle and the midpoint is 75 and 95. So go to sketch dimension. The distance here 75 millimeters and the distance here 95 millimeters. And finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 60 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile. The direction, select symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance here 60 millimeters, and press OK. And now we will create this area. So we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And the first thing that we make here, we will create a line here and an arc and another line. This line is coincident with the circle, and this point here is vertical with this point. So go to create a sketch, select the right plane, and go to create project, include project, selection filter. Select the body, select these two body here, and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. And here select line, make a line here, make an arc and another line here. And go to constraint, select the tangent, select this line and this arc, and make sure that this line is tangent with the circle. And go to horizontal vertical, select this line here. Make sure that this line is horizontal line and this one is vertical line. And the radius here is 30 millimeters. So go to dimension, select this arc, the radius here 30 millimeters. And now we will create this sketch here, an arc here, another arc here, and another one here. This arc here has 10 millimeters of radius. This one has 100 millimeters of radius. So go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here, and make another arc here. And I will create a line here. And go to constraint, select cocentric, select this arc and this one. And go to dimension. The radius here is 10 millimeters. Make sure that this arc is tangent with this one. Okay. And the distance between these two arcs is, I said 100 millimeters, but it is wrong, okay? The distance here is 8 millimeters of distance. The 100 millimeters is this arc here. We will make this later. Okay. And the distance between these two lines here, make this parallel lines. Okay. And now we will create this arc here, tangent with the both in the both sides. So go to arc, 3-point arc, click here and click here, make an arc here, and go to constraint, select tangent, select this arc and this arc here. And make sure that this point here is coincident with this arc. Okay. And go to modify, select break this line here, and make this a construction line type. We made this profile. So finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile. We need to extrude this 40 millimeters. So the direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance here 40 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. And now we will create this rib. This rib has 100 millimeters of radius, and we have another arc here with 25 millimeters of radius. So go to create a sketch, select the right plane, press letter P in the keyboard, selection filter body, select this body here and press OK. Go to create, select arc, 3-point arc. Click here in this circle, make an arc here, and make another arc here. This arc must be tangent in the both sides, and go to sketch dimension. This arc here has 100 millimeters and this one has 25 millimeters. And the distance between the center point of this arc and this point here is 11 millimeters. So let me move this point here a little bit. Go to dimension. The distance here, 11 millimeters. Finish the sketch. Go to create and select rip. The profile, select this one, this line here. And the thickness here is 8 millimeters. And the thickness direction symmetric, and press OK. And now we will create this cylinder here. The diameter 16 millimeters and the distance between this face and this point 22 millimeters. And we will create this cut with 8 millimeters of diameter. So go to create a sketch, select the right plane, and go to create, select the project include, project, and selection filter, specify the entities, select this face here and press OK. And now select line, make a line between this point and this circle here, and make a line between this point here to here. And go to sketch dimension, select this point and this point. The distance here is 22 millimeters. And finish the sketch. Go to pipe and remove the chain selection. Select only this line here. The section size here is 16 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. And show the sketch 6 again. Go to pipe. Active the chain selection. Select this line. The section size here is 8 millimeters. Operation cut. And press OK. Hide this sketch. And now we will make some fillet here. The fillet 2 millimeters. So go to fillet. Select this edge here. The fillet here is 2 millimeters. And press OK. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.